Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing great in this hard time. Today I am Vivek Singh with a new topic that is commands and regiments in our Indian Army. So let's start with our first topic, that is command. Indian Army is divided into 7 commands according to their functions and area covered. As you can see here, the commands with their headquarters. The commands are as follows. In the upper side, Northern Command, Western Command, Southwestern Command, Southern Command, Eastern Command, and Central Command, and the last Army Training Command. These are the 7 major commands in our Indian Army. So let's start with our first command, that is Army Training Command. Its headquarters is in Shimla, Himachal Pradesh. It is formed in 1991 in Mhow in Madhya Pradesh, but later shifted to Shimla in 1993. It provides the best training to the officer of the Indian Army, and the present commander is Lieutenant General Raj Shukla. Coming to the next command, that is Central Command, situated in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. It is formed in 1942 during the World War I, but was later disbanded and re-established in 1963 during the Sino-Indian War, that is Indo-China War. Its present commander is Lieutenant General Yogendra Dimri. Next command is Southwestern Command. Its headquarters is in Jaipur, Rajasthan, and it was formed on 15 April 2005, and it becomes fully operational on 15 August 2005. It is the newest command in Indian Army. Its present commander is Lieutenant General Amardeep Singh. All these commands are formed after independence. Coming to the next commands, which are formed before independence. All these commands are formed in 1920, but after partition, these commands were re-established with their new headquarters. Our first command is Eastern Command. It is formed in 1920. In the starting, its headquarters is in Lucknow, but after the formation of Central Command in Lucknow, it was shifted to Kolkata, West Bengal. Lieutenant General Anil Chauhan is the head of the command. Now, Western Command. In the same way, it is also formed in 1920 but re-established in 1947 at Chandi Mandir. It takes the responsibility of all Indian Army operations for seizing the area in Jammu Kashmir. It is commanded by Lieutenant General Ravindra Pal Singh. Coming to the next, Northern Command, re-established in 1972 in Udhampur in Jammu Kashmir. It is the oldest command formed in 1895 during the British rule. Recently, it is commanded by Lieutenant General Yogesh Kumar Joshi. Now, our last command is Southern Command. It is formed in 1895 and re-established after the independence in 1942 in Pune, Maharashtra. Lieutenant General Jai Singh is the recent commander of this command. Now, coming up to our next topic, we will know about our strong and dedicated regiments. Our regiments breathe the air of nationalism, patriotism, courage, and honor. Along with the regiment, we will know about their motto and war cry. Motto are the words or phrases which remind us who are we and what we stand for. These words gives us courage and inspiration. War cry are the magical words which can convert a weak into the deadliest one. Indian Army basically have many regiments, but here we will cover only the 10 regiments. Let's begin with our first regiment, that is Jat Regiment. It is an infantry regiment centered in Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. War cry Jat Balwan Jai Bhagwan, which means the Jat is strong and the victory of God. Its motto is Sangathan Vavirta, which means unity and valor. It is the longest serving and the most decorative regiment of Indian Army. This regiment bravely won 19 battles before independence and 5 battles after independence. They have 2 Ashok Chakra, 8 Mahavir Chakra, 8 Kirti Chakra, 32 Shaurya Chakra, 39 Veer Chakra, and 170 Sena medals. The next regiment, Parachute Regiment, one of the strongest and deadliest regiment of Indian Army. It is the elite main special force of Indian Army with motto Shatrujit and war cry Balidan Param Dharma. Special operation, counter terrorism, hostage rescue, etc. These are some important role of this regiment. Parachute Regiment is divided into two components, Traditional Parachute Regiment and Parachute Special Forces. They were known as Red Devils because of their red maroon cap and hardest training. They have won 7 Ashok Chakra, 13 Kirti Chakra, 7 Param Visishta Seva, 61 Veer Chakra, 53 Shaurya Chakra, and 246 Sena medals. Next regiment is Sikh regiment, centered at Ramgarh, Jharkhand, with motto निश्चय कर अपनी जीत करो and war कराए जो बोले सोनिहाल सस्त्री अकाल. They have bravely won many wars with 690 medals, which is highest by any regiment, with 2 Paramveer Chakra, 3 Ashok Chakra, 24 Mahavir Chakra, 24 Kirti Chakra, 64 Veer Chakra, 55 Shaurya Chakra, 375 Sena medal, 1 Padam Vibhushan and 1 Padam Bhushan. Our next regiment is Maratha Light Infantry with 18 battalions centered at Belgaum, Karnataka. Their motto is duty, honor and courage, and war cry Bole Sri Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Ki Jai. Inspired from Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's army, they have won 21 battle honors, which was the highest by any regiment. They were also known as for fast marching, 150 steps per minute. They have won 5 Ashok Chakra, 4 Mahavir Chakra, 15 Kirti Chakra, 44 Veer Chakra, 64 Shaurya Chakra, 440 Sena medal, 4 Yuddha Seva medal and 1 Padam Bhushan. Next regiment is Dogra regiment, centered at Faizabad, Uttar Pradesh, with motto Kartavyam Anvatma, which means duty before death, and war cry Jwala Mata Ki Jai. Some members of Dogra regiment became part of INA, Indian National Army, under Subhash Chandra Bose. Unit of Dogra regiment have fought in all conflicts that leads to independence of India, making it one of the prestigious and most decorative regiment of Indian Army. They have won 1 Ashok Chakra, 13 Mahavir Chakra, 18 Kirti Chakra, 47 Veer Chakra, 58 Shaurya Chakra, 352 Sena medals and 1 Padam Bhushan and 1 Padam Shri. Now, next regiment is the Grenadiers, with motto and war cry Sarvada Shaktishali. They played an important role in Kargil War of 1999 against Pakistani army who occupied Indian territory. They have the most number of Paramveer Chakra. He is no Havaldar Abdul Hamid of this regiment had destroyed 6 Pakistani tanks in war and killed during the engagement with the 7th one. He is known as the tank man of Indian Army. They have won 3 Paramveer Chakra, 2 Ashok Chakra, 11 Mahavir Chakra, 20 Kirti Chakra, 53 Veer Chakra, 78 Shaurya Chakra, 284 Sena medal, 26 Yuddha Seva medal. Now Punjab regiment in Ramgarh, Jharkhand, with motto Kushivateri Sthal Vajal. War cry Jo Bole So Nihal Sastri Akal. The Punjab regiment is one of the senior regional infantry regiment. 2004 Bollywood movie Lakshya dedicated to the regiment. Punjab regiment is the only regimental name common between Indian and Pakistani army. They have won 1 Ashok Chakra, 19 Mahavir Chakra, 20 Kirti Chakra, 64 Veer Chakra, 83 Shaurya Chakra, 2 Uttam Yuddha Seva medal, 287 Sena medal, 5 Yuddha Seva medal, 2 Padma Bhushan, 1 Padma Shri. The next regiment is one of the most dangerous regiment, that is Gorkha regiment. This is further divided in 7 regiments. They are one of the most feared soldiers in the world and even won respect from their enemies. They had a tradition of sacrificing a male buffalo on Dashera. There was an event during Kargil war when Gorkhas have out of weapons and were surrounded by the Pakistani army. Instead of backing off, they chop them like vegetable. They have won 3 Paramveer Chakra, 10 Ashok Chakra, 30 Mahavir Chakra, 13 Kirti Chakra, 99 Veer Chakra, 44 Shaurya Chakra, 201 Sena medal, 1 Uttam Yuddha Seva medal, 5 Yuddha Seva medal, 2 Padma Bhushan and 1 Padam Vibhushan. Next regiment is Madras regiment, centered at Wellington, Tamil Nadu, and motto Swadharme Nidhanam Shreya, which means it is a glory to die doing one's duty, and war cry Veera Madrasi Adikolu Adikolu, which means brave Madrasi, strike and kill, strike and kill. The regiment was initially formed by East India Company to fight the French army. Indian Army deployed 7 battalions of the Madras regiment during the operation of Pavan in Sri Lanka from 1987 to 1989. They were awarded by 1 Ashok Chakra, 5 Mahavir Chakra, 9 Kirti Chakra, 36 Veer Chakra, 27 Shaurya Chakra, 304 सेना मेडल, 1 उत्तम युद्ध सेवा मेडल, 2 युद्ध सेवा मेडल. And for today, our last regiment is Jammu and Kashmir Rifles, centered at Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh, and with motto Prashata Ranveerta, with war cry Durga Mata Ki Jai. It originates from Jammu and Kashmir. In the Jammu and Kashmir Rifles is the only Indian Army regiment which is formally an army of a princely state. Captain Vikram Batra of this regiment was awarded by the Paramveer Chakra for displaying unparalleled courage and determination in eliminating a Pakistani position at a ledge. He was aware of importance of his task during the Kargil War. In the film LOC Kargil, Abhishek Bachchan played the role of Captain Batra. They were awarded by 2 Paramveer Chakra, 2 Ashok Chakra, 5 Mahavir Chakra, 11 Kirti Chakra, 44 Veer Chakra, 46 Shaurya Chakra, 313 Sevana Medal, 1 Uttam Yuddha Seva Medal, 2 Yuddha Seva Medal, 1 Padma Bhushan. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, share it with your friends. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.